Hello, my name is Elena Mercedes Martínez Romero. Important events in my life. Manuela Ventral University, English 2, January of 2019. For this exercise, I choose the next categories. Your favorite vacation, a challenging situation, for favorite moment on the school. Where did you go? I went to Toluco, Venus. What did you go with? I went with my husband and my son. When was on vacation? It was on April in 2016. A challenging situation? What was the situation about? I think that the challenging situation for my occur when I got pregnant with my second child. Why did that situation? Well, I was of February 18 in 2011. How did you feel? First, I was too scared because we didn't wait for it until 2 or 3 quit. After 12 hours at 11:34 of night, my first son was born, and I felt unhappy and tired. Your favorite moment at the school? Where were you with? I was with my parents and some friends. Where did that event happen? I was in 2000 when I finished my studies at the school. Where were you? I happened in El Colegio, Cundinamarca, a city near to Bogota, where I lived until I was 17 years old. Thank you.